In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile details in the Perplexity app on your iPhone. If you want your profile to look polished and reflect who you are, this quick walkthrough will help you change your username, avatar, and other profile details with confidence. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly where each option lives so you don't waste time hunting through menus. Start by opening the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left corner and tap the profile icon. This icon takes you to your personal area, where your account and preferences live. If you're new to the layout, think of this as your hub for anything related to your identity inside the app. From there, tap Settings. You'll find it represented by a small gear icon near the top left. Settings is where Perplexity keeps tools that control how the app behaves for you, and it's the doorway to deeper account options. Inside Settings, tap Manage Account. This section is specifically focused on your profile information. It's designed to be straightforward so you can make updates quickly without worrying about changing something unrelated. Now you can make your changes. Update your username to something clear and memorable, especially if you collaborate or share content with others. For your avatar, choose an image that looks good at small sizes and has good contrast. Centered photos or simple logos work best. You may also see additional profile fields. Keep them accurate and consistent with how you want to appear in the app, and avoid including any private or sensitive personal details you wouldn't want displayed. When you're finished, tap Update to apply your changes. Give it a moment and you should see your new details reflected right away across your profile. If you don't see an immediate change, that's usually just a short sync delay. The update action is what saves everything, so always make sure you tap it before leaving this screen. That's it. You opened Perplexity, went to your profile, entered settings, selected Manage Account, made your edits, and saved them with Update. With these steps, you can refresh your profile anytime, whether you're rebranding, swapping in a new photo, or cleaning up your display name. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated Perplexity profile on iPhone.